안녕하세요. Hello K friends. Hope all of you are doing very well. Today I'm going to introduce a super tasty dish called takamari. I will cook whole chicken to make a warm and tender soup. It stays hot and delicious the whole time you eat. Plus, there's a bonus video at the end, so make sure to watch it until the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Preparing the chicken. When preparing the chicken, trim off any visible fat, especially remove the tail part as it's a large chunk of fat. Also, it's a good idea to cut off the wing tips. Now, cut the chicken in half and wash it well. If there are blood clots between the bones, make sure to remove them. Removing blood clots helps get rid of the chicken's smell. Blanching the chicken. Slice one small piece of ginger thinly. Add a bit of sliced ginger to boiling water and blanch the chicken for about 5 minutes. Blanching helps reduce the smell and fat from the chicken. Preparing the broth. Cut one onion in half and then into quarters. Also, cut 2 green onions in half. Lightly crush the garlic with the side of a knife. Crushing garlic helps release more flavor into the broth. If you have whole peppercorns, prepare about 20 of them. These ingredients will be added to the pot when you boil the chicken. Boiling the chicken. After 5 minutes of blanching, take out the chicken and discard the water. Place the blanched chicken into a pot. Add enough water to cover the chicken. Then add the prepared onions, green onions, garlic, and peppercorns. Boil on medium-high heat for about 30 minutes. Medium-high heat helps the flavors to spread evenly through the broth. Preparing the vegetables. Slice one potato thinly, not too thick. Cut one large green onion diagonally. If you don't have a large green onion, you can use green onions. If you have chives, chop some. These vegetables will be added later when boiling the chicken. Thinly slice some cabbage. Slice the onion thinly as well. Chop some chives. And mix them all in a bowl. Thinly slicing the onion, cabbage, and chives enhances the texture when eaten with the chicken and sauce. Making the sauce. In a small bowl, put 4 tablespoons of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar or honey, half tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 to 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Add some grated onion as well. Grating onion into the sauce gives it a deep flavor. After 30 minutes, skim off the fat from the broth. Take out the chicken and remove the vegetables. Put the chicken and broth back in the pot. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces using scissors. Then add the potatoes, green onions, and chives. Season with half a tablespoon of salt, and if you have a chicken powder, add a half tablespoon for extra flavor. Chicken powder enhances the savory depth of the dish. Adjust the seasoning with more salt if needed. Boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Savory and healthy takamari is done. How to eat. Put some sauce over the prepared vegetables and eat them with the chicken. This is incredible. Bonus video. After finishing the chicken, add the soaked glutinous rice to the remaining broth to make a flavorful chicken porridge. If you don't have soaked glutinous rice, cold cooked rice works great too. You can enjoy with knife-cut noodles instead of rice. It's also so tasty. After 20 minutes. Wow, the aroma is amazing. Enjoying it this way is both comforting and absolutely delicious. How was today's recipe? 닭 한 마리 looked really delicious, didn't it? I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.